Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Testing Gyan. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to install Java on a Windows machine. So our first step will be to download the Java installer. So let's begin. So for downloading the Java, we'll go to this Oracle link. Don't worry, I'll mention this link in description of this video. So you can just copy paste this link. Scroll down below, go to Windows section and download this JDK one. Since it will be having both JRE as well as compiler. Check this checkbox. Click on this download button. It will redirect you to Oracle account page. So if you already have Oracle account, just mention your username and password and click on the sign in. If you don't have one, you can click on this create account and create your account. As soon as you will enter your username and password and click on the sign in, your download will begin. Since I have already downloaded this installer, so I will not download it again. I'll go to the file, double click on it, click on yes, click on next. So it will take around 40 to 50 seconds to install Java on your system. Next. And now it has started the installing Java. Finally, installation is completed. Click on this close button. By default, Java will be installed in this C drive program files and this Java folder. Here you can see both JDK and JRE. Don't forget to set your environment variable so that you can run your Java code from anywhere in the system. For setting environment variable, type system or environment in this search box. Go to this edit environment variable. Environment variable. Click on this new button. Variable name will be Java home, Java underscore home, all in caps. And variable value will be, double click on this JDK, copy this path and paste it here. So this will be the variable value. One more place you have to add it. Go to this path, click on edit, click on new, paste it and /bin. So done. Guys, your Java is installed. To verify whether Java has accurately installed or not, you can open your command prompt. For command prompt, either press Windows R or you can type here as well, CMD, to open command prompt. Type Java space hyphen version over here. If you have accurately installed Java, it will show you the version, whichever version you have installed over here. So guys, that's all for this video. In case you face any difficulty while installing Java on your system, just mention in comments and I'll try my best to resolve your queries. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.